Rapping my black bedroom, black bedroom.
What?
Rap it black.
Yo, what's good people, it's that GTLD and I'm back on your screen with another video, man. Now today, I told you guys I was gonna do some more vlogs, man. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm about to record my next 2 singles. So I'm about to bring you along for the ride, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a little music vlog. Welcome to the TDSZN HQ channel for real. But yeah, man, let's get into this, man. You know, let's go.
Yeah, look, it's that GTLD. Look, she can have anything. She got the man himself, the magician Floeticc.
On the buttons today.
You know what I'm saying?
With
About
the
to get
magic
busy.
still.
You know the vibes, man. But yeah, let me take you into the booth for me, Steve. That's where we doing. This is where the magic is happening. You get me? Microphones and that, headphones and that. Alright, man. Let's get into this shit. Do I need to close the curtain? Yeah. Alright, cool. Yo. What you telling me? Hold on, let me get this. Why are the headphones over here? Bruh, this thing is not making no sense, bro. The mic is over here, but the headphones are behind, man. What the fuck, bro?
What did they stretch enough?
I'm a weirdo. I like to make sure the right is on the right and the left is on the left.
No, I'm the same. If they stretch enough, then that's
Yeah, it's calm still.
It's
We can make it
comfortable
work.
for you, innit?
Yeah, it's calm. We can make it right. Look, R&B nigga about a bang on draw. Tell them where they come step in my office. I'm making offers, they can't refuse. I'm the godfather, they can't step in my shoes. Rid of my souls, that's Christian lubes. Nah, rid of my souls from stamping his man at the game if they're talking loose. Watch your mouth and the words you choose, car. I'm the coldest. Fucking. Yeah, makes sense. Look at one take. Huh?
This is just raw vocals, by the way.
Yeah.
R&B nigga, but bang on draw. Tell them where they come step in my office. I'm making offers, they can't refuse. I'm the godfather, they can't step in my shoes. Rid of my souls, that's Christian lubes. Nah.
Look, R&B nigga, but a bang on drill. Tell them where they come step in my office. I'm making offers, they can't refuse. I'm the godfather, they can't step in my shoes. Rid of my souls, that's Christian lubes. Nah, rid of my souls from stamping his man at the game if they're talking loose. Watch your mouth and the words you choose, car. I'm the coldest star. All eyes on me is the TD show, car. TD show, they know this now. I bet they're gonna take notice now.
Rid of my souls, that's Christian lubes. Nah, rid of my souls from stamping his man at the game if they're talking loose. Watch your mouth and the words you choose, car. I'm the coldest star. All eyes on me is the TD show, car. TD show, they know this now. I bet they're gonna take notice now.
Okay, yeah, that's sounding hard still. I think you should do one more take.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, let's do another take.
We're ready to go.
Yeah, and
Let's get it leveled out and that.
Yeah. But that's sounding clean still.
Come on. Do you know what it is? I might do it until there's certain bits where I might need to cut in it.
Okay, cool.
So I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like that.
Okay, cool.
So I'm gonna do the sections that need to get cut in and the sections that don't.
Yeah.
Because there's no hook or anything like that. So it's not like we need to.
Yeah. There's
level
no
out
ability
like
to
that.
just a whole one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you're comfortable, just
Just lock it. Yeah.
punch you in, innit?
Sick. I can't hear no music in my ear.
Oh, my bad.
I can just hear the metronome. Yeah. Alright, let's go. It's that G-Tal. Oh wait, I thought you were doing the whole intro. Yeah. Slap the whole intro. Cause this the proper take, innit? Yeah, alright, calm here, slap intro. It's that G-Tal D. Yo, it's TDSZN. Look. R&B nigga, but a bang on drill. Tell them where they come step in my office. I'm making offers, they can't refuse. I'm the godfather, they can't step in my. Red of my souls, that's Christian lubes. Nah, red of my souls from stamping his man at the game if they're talking loose. Watch your mouth and the words you choose, car. I'm the coldest. Fucking hell, I keep fucking that bit. My arm is hurting. You lot seeing the recording process live and direct, you feel me? Switch hands, car. I ain't been going gym that much.
You played yourself.
Red of my souls, that's Christian lubes. Nah, red of my souls from stamping his man at the game if they're talking loose. Watch your mouth and the words you choose, car. I'm a 6-figure nigga, so silent for less, that can never be me. Fuck 5 figures, now fam, I need 7. I'm due to bust like a Smith and Wesson. Them boy that they won't test me. I'm the teacher, learn your lesson. He spent time trying to write that this. I'm about to write off a stupid investment, car. I'm the coldest out. All eyes on me is the TD show, car. TD show when they know this now. I bet they're gonna take notice now. I got their game on lockdown. So sick, no vaccine. They're addicted to the lines like crap fiends. I'll spend more than 10 on this. Yeah, I need to come in after crap fiends, bro.
What we should do, yeah?
Yeah?
Try not to spit for too long.
Try not to what?
Try not to spit for too long.
Yeah.
Just keep punching because this is just a whole freestyle. I want to make sure everything is clean in it.
Yeah, makes sense. So what, like every 8 or something?
It doesn't have
Or
to
16?
be that strict.
Yeah.
You can choose. It doesn't have to be mad strict.
Alright, calm.
I'm gonna hear
But
that.
whenever it makes sense to punch,
Yeah.
then makes sense.
I'm gonna hear that back and see it.
Alright, calm.
Red of my souls from stamping his man at the game if they're talking loose. Watch your mouth.
Try and start rapping at the last few lines of the previous take, so you get the same kind of.
Yeah, makes sense.
A few minutes later.
Might have to get me a bad little curvy shit like Liam, man. I like a nice and thick. I don't give a fuck about Liam, man. If I see her, it's still.
Must have sound like reaction, Denny and Renz. I heard that still.
Lock it down. So sick, no vaccine. They're addicted to the lines like crap fiends. If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rapping back, better know me in ends. Reactions mad, then in vaccine. They're addicted to the lines like crap fiends. If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rapping back, better know me.
You can kind of hear that I changed the line, innit? Because it's not as... The delivery's not as confident as the other ones, innit?
To the lines like crap fiends. If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rapping back, better know me in ends. Reactions mad, then in brains. Interior's bread.
Again, yeah.
Yeah, because you can hear the rest of it, it comes back in again.
Yeah.
The vim's there again, yeah. Let me run that back.
No vaccine, they're addicted like crap fiends. If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rapping back black, better know me. Black, better know me.
What?
Rapping black. Rapping back black, better know me in ends. Rapping back black, better know me in ends. Them tongue twisters. If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rapping back black, spend more than 10 on this Benz, rapping back black, better know me in. Rapping back black, better know me in. I can't remember this. Rapping back black. If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rapping back black, better know me in ends. Reactions mad, then in brains, interior's bread, I spend an expense.
That is more of a tongue twister than I thought it would be, you know.
If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rapping back black, better know me in.
What did you say? What is that about?
It's the Benz, I said that wrong. It's if I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rapping back black, better know me in ends.
Okay, cool. More than 10 on the spins, rapping like black.
Yeah, but I might have to take the it out. Because initially I had it, I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rap matte black, denominating ends.
Yeah.
So I might just change it back to that.
Do that still. Yeah, do that.
If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rap matte black, denominating ends.
Yeah.
Black to the lines like crap fiends. If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rap matte black, denominating ends. Reaction.
Even the way it flows sounds better.
They're addicted to the lines like crap fiends. If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rap matte black, denominating ends. Reactions mad, then in brains, interior's bread, I spend an expense.
I'm gonna do it one more time still.
Yeah.
Because I don't like the Benz bit.
They're addicted to the lines like crap fiends. If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rap matte black, denominating ends. Reactions mad, then in brains, more than 10 on this Benz, rap matte black.
Wait, it sounds like you didn't say that bit properly.
Yeah.
More than 10 on this Benz, rap matte black.
You said Mac.
Yeah.
I heard it still.
One more time! One more time!
Nothing gets past me. Alright. You ready?
I can't have to all pass me.
I'm Van Dyke in this thing, fam. Not sounding good still.
So sick, no vaccine. They're addicted to the lines like crap fiends. If I spend more than 10 on this Benz, rap matte black, denominating ends. Reactions mad, then in brains, interior's bread, I spend an expense.
Yeah, that's the one!
Even though you caught the drop with perfect still.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Let's go.
But I don't want you, all I want this money blocker. Then I want to get my back up, cash from you, gonna need blocker.
That bit, I'm gonna cut off that from here.
This money blocker.
That's calm.
Yeah.
Up until there it's calm, but the way you come in here,
Then I want to get my back up.
you can come in a bit.
Yeah,
sharper there.
defo.
So I'm gonna keep that first bit because I think that's calm,
Sick, alright, cool.
and then that second bit just coming from there, innit? So
Then I
I'll
want to
rock
get my
her.
back up, cash me, you gonna need back up. This me, take it down, don't get it back up. And raise that arm and give me that back up.
All I know about WAPs, but they might self-safety, you better move cautious. Nah. One more time. I try to do a little thing and I don't like the way it sounded.
Yeah.
I don't know about waps, but I might so safety. You better move cautious.
That delivery, that sounded very good still. It sounded clear.
That sounded
That
correct.
sounded like the clearest one so far.
I don't know about waps, but I might so safety. You better move cautious. That ending bit there.
Yeah.
I think that's the cleanest I've ever done that part.
Right, yeah, it was clean. I could hear everything with that. It was clean. I could just when you tell
I don't know about raps, when I rap that whip, but the team looks gorgeous. I don't know about waps, but I might so safety. You better move cautious.
Yeah, it's making sense.
Should I leave it like that, yeah? Or do it with the far from a gangster but stick to the G code. Ain't no coin my blood on my genomes.
What's the difference?
The difference is there's a little pause between the G code and aim. On that take.
There's a pause here.
Yeah, on that take there's a little pause. Jacob from 100 to 0. I'm a villain, I'm far from a hero. Far from a gangster but stick to the G code. Ain't no coin my blood on my genomes.
Okay, cool. After
Whereas
G code.
this one is far from a villain but wait, I'm a villain, I'm far from a hero. Far from a gangster but stick to the G code. Ain't no coin my blood on my genomes.
Do with the beat.
I'm a villain, I'm far from a hero. Far from a gangster, I stick to the G code. Ain't no hole in my blood on my genomes. Cautious.
No pause.
No pause. Villain, I'm far from a gangster, I stick to the G code. Ain't no hole in my blood on my genomes.
Pause.
With the pause, yeah?
Yeah. So how it is recorded.
Yeah. That's how it's recorded, yeah. No man, drop one punchline, then lock after wave. Hey, no, I don't need to do the lock off bit in it.
Yeah, I can do that still.
You can, yeah.
You can do it. If it sounds clean, you can do it.
Yeah.
But if it sounds like you're forcing it when you're doing it, then don't do it. Do you know what I mean?
Gangster, I stick to the G code. Ain't no hole in my blood on my genome. Nah, no way. You know that shut down all day. It's TD on the mic. Drop one punchline, then lock after wave. Nah, no way. You know that shut down all day. It's TD on the mic. Drop one punchline, then lock after wave.
Take's done. Gonna do the outro, and then we're pretty much panned. My man's gonna work the magic, slap some ad libs and stabs. That's track one done. You get me? Whoa. So yeah, man. Welcome to the wonderful world of recording.